Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we're going over the numpy, right? So it's a project about numpy, basically like including numpy, using numpy, and showcasing it basically almost. And yeah, so it's gonna be like this data analysis tool in which we're going to create a random data set, and using numpy we're gonna put in some functions, and then in the end we're going to display our results on a histogram and a box plot. So let's just get started. First of all, import all of your necessary libraries, which is import numpy as np, the most important one, and also the second important one, matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Next we can get on to make the generate random data function. Basically this is the function that will generate our random data when we call for it. Generate random data size. Come on, no, stop, I can't press the arrow keys there. Data equals to np.random.normal, then 0. I have this, keep this as 0 and the scale as 1. We want to make it like less complicated. I also decided to not ask the user for a bunch of stuff, and we just kept it all standard. So next we can just define the compute statistics there, data. And for this one, in the compute statistics, we're gonna keep the mean, basically the mean, median, and the mean, median, and standard deviation. Yeah. Whoa, no, stop. Their mean equals to np.mean, then np.mean data. Median equals to np.median, data, and then we have the standard deviation equals to np.standard deviation data, and we just go ahead and return the mean, median, and standard deviation. Next, we're gonna make the function to plot our data. Now that we've made the data to compute the statistics, the basic statistics, and the generate random data function is finished, we can move on. So here we can go to the df plot, and then data, create the figure, so plt.figure, the fig size equals to 12 and 6. Next, create the subplot. Now here's where we create the histogram, so plt.subplot 1 to 1, and we go to plt.histogram, or use the function to create the histogram. So data, keep the bins equal to 30, keep the color equal to whatever you'd like. I'll keep it to blue, and the edge color to whatever you also like. I'll keep it to black. Just keep it simple. So black. Next we can create the title for the histogram. So just gonna keep it histogram. There we have it. plt.x label, this will label the x-axis, so we'll keep that as value, and plt.y label, keep that as the frequency, so we'll show the frequency on the y label. Next we can move on to the second plot, which is going to be the box plot. So create a new subplot, and instead of 1 to 1, keep it 1 to 2, plt dot, and then create the box plot. So box plot data, plt.title, keep this as boxplot, and then we just name the x label, so this will be our value. Next we need to also okay, what's going on? Let's also show or visualize our plots. So to do that, we can just plt dot height layout. Use this function and stop doing that, and then plt dot show, which will show our plot. Next, let create the main function, which is basically like the whole our little program here. So define main and print enter. This so this is going to be the dataset size where we ask the dataset size. Enter dataset size below, and then we take input here, and okay, sorry, since this is the size, we'll take the size equals to integer input, and then ignore like this, so that the user can just input, and also looks very nice, clean. Next we can create the data, so equals to generate random data, and use that on the new data, and the mean, median, and standard deviation equals to compute statistics on the data. And I think this is wrong, since we generate the random data off of the size, and then we compute the statistics of the data. Yes, okay, good. Next, we can just print. So for here, we need to print the mean, the median, and the standard deviation. So for that, we can use this here. So mean, then create these curly brackets if I can get that to show right there. So have the mean, copy paste, boom, 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 3 times, median, median, standard deviation. Deviation there. Next we just also call the plot data function, or so data will not plot, plot data, and then just run the main. So if underscore underscore name equals underscore underscore main. I don't know when I get this wrong. And then just run the main. So okay, so it works flawlessly, no errors, and it's asking for dataset size. So let's go ahead and put that in. So let's say I want to create a dataset size of 8. It gives us the mean, the median, and the standard deviation of a dataset randomly generated, and the size of 8. And actually, if we open up the output in Replit, you can actually see your histogram and your boxplot. So in Replit, you want to as soon as you have your like this output screen, or like where you can see, or where you can see after you run your script, you want to click on the plus button and then search output, and it should lead you to here. Sometimes it actually opens up by itself, but it didn't happen this time. Last time it did when I used the output, and yeah, as you can see, it creates the histogram and boxplot accordingly. Okay. Alright, it shows the frequency here, so the frequency of, for say, this column, I think I'll call it, is 2, and for this one's 1. We can also change the dataset size to be whatever you want, so like 73. Hopefully this doesn't do anything bad. Yeah, no, you just have more values now. I guess that's how it is. So yeah, then you can also check the median. Here is negative 0.03, and the standard deviation is 0.9 something. And basically, it creates a random data set, and if we were to ask for the standard deviation, which I guess I could do that. I guess that could be something for the next video, but this one I kept it more simple. So I guess for the next video, I'll do the same thing. Actually, stay in the same project, but we'll just edit it and have the have more like, how do I even put this into words? Like, you're able to customize your data more, right? So instead of generating random data, you're able to like have the median, have set the mean, and set the standard deviation and the values. So yeah. So until then, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.